Hi you guys, it's your girl Renee Carlson, Seattle MUA Renee on Instagram, and today we are going to be doing this makeup look. So if you guys want to get ready with me like I was going to a holiday party, I'm all dressed up in this little sweater dress and shrug from Abercrombie. And then we did this really sparkly yet smoky eye with red lipstick. You'll be ready to go in no time. So if you want to see how to get this look and get ready with me, then let's just what a wonderful. It's the best way to hold my hair back. I'm gonna shut the closet door. These hoops are a little large. Can I complain anymore? Just gonna get started. I already put primer on, in case anyone cares or is wondering. So just pick your favorite foundation. I'm not here to tell you which ones to buy today. We are only here to do holiday makeup. That's it. I'm going to mix it with this Dior Forever foundation. This is the matte version. They also make one a glow, but I like the matte version for my skin. Make sure to blend your foundation before you go to any parties because you don't want to be that person. Set that with a powder. It's actually foundation in a powder, but since we're pretending this is a holiday look, we're going to just pack on some coverage, basically.
Normally, I wouldn't wear this much base makeup, but I do my brows off camera because I've done them so many times and it's repetitive and it takes me some time, so you don't get to see that.
Okay, the eyebrows are on. I am just going to use a little bit of Benefit Highbrow to highlight right underneath my eyebrows. I've been doing this forever. When all else fails, use your finger. We have a choice of glitters, like glitter eyeshadow to use. Probably use the base, huh? I'm gonna apply the P. Louise makeup base. It's white. I think it's called Rumor, so my eyelids will be white. Don't say that I didn't warn you, because I did. Let's try this elf. I hope it's not too bright. What color is this? I can't see. I'll leave it below. Wow, okay, that's a little more like it. I think what I'm going to need to do is take some shadow and we're just gonna make some dimension. I always bring this everywhere and use it all the time. Don't mind the construction. Wherever I live, it's like construction follows me. Oh, okay. That's really pigmented. It's a good thing I did my eyes before my concealer. I think I just knocked everything over. I promise it's gonna hopefully look good. So I'm just building up that black. I'm gonna need to clean it up quite a bit. Okay, we are getting somewhere. We have black all under our eyes. It's great. This is not my medication. I keep lashes like this in these pill containers. They're just so handy. So we're gonna wear Monday. I have this pretty fresh ColourPop concealer that I actually really like. What shade is this? Light 45W. It's gonna be, okay. Hopefully the concealer will clean that up because I made a mess over there on that side. And I know this might look crazy, but it works good when you give yourself a black eye with eyeshadow. Then it really helps. I have my Tarte concealer brush. I absolutely love this brush. It's really dirty, so I hesitate to zoom you in, but there you go. Just use a little bit of my powder and gonna blend it in and clean it up a bit. Let's put on some lashes and some lipstick. I'm this super inexpensive red lip liner from Italia Deluxe. I think they're on Amazon. They're actually really good quality though. We have, go and wear this YSL shade 12. What do we think? Yeah. Certainly smells good. Okay, and we are holiday party ready if I was going to one. Here is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, this little get ready with me tutorial for the holidays. If I was going to a holiday party, then I would leave my house. But not right now. I feel holiday ready with Rudolph and all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and make sure to like this video if you liked it so I know, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Seattle MUA Renee, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you.